What's wrong, Vince? You're funny there, Vince. Vince? Watching Baba. Sleepy, Vince. You sleep? Are you sleepy? Vince? Vince? Are you sleepy, Vince? Oh my god, how cute you are, Vince. Then we're gonna fix your collar. Yeah, Vince. Vince is torn 5 months. Vince is a girl. He's a cutie pie. And very sweet.